We've all wondered what happens when you can't find your gate at the Atlanta airport. Watch as a young trendy couple works through this challenge. On October 5th, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was at the scene at the airport for this airport encounter.
Concourse is your flight.
But it's D, but we're gonna miss it.
It's D concourse?
Yes.
What gate? Number?
14.
D3, no.
Originally.
D3.
Here it is. You're saying two different things. D what?
D3.
D3, what do you have?
Here's the old one.
You have the old one. Apparently they changed the gate number.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yes, we've been over that.
What is your name, sir?
Where are you?
I'm with the police. I'm just trying to help out. I'm not trying to aggravate you, sir. If you're not really noticing, you're on the ground. So that in itself is
I was resting. I've been here for
I want you to
8
rest.
hours.
I want you to rest, but D, I could tell you how to catch the train to D if you wish.
That would be lovely.
Come on. You want to come? Let's all go to D. Thank you for your patience with me, sir. It's in this direction. I want you to take your time. It's this way.
Thank you.
Let's go, ma'am.
No, I don't feel safe.
Okay, well, you don't have to go to D concourse if
Why
you
are you
don't
not
wish.
doing anything about what I've
Well,
said?
okay, I need you to calm down.
You need me to calm down.
Yes, ma'am. He's going to his flight, D concourse. Do you want to go on your flight? They can separate you on the plane. You don't have to be together.
But
No
I
worries.
called.
Have a seat
I'll
for me,
stay.
sir. Have a seat. Look, he's saying he's staying.
I had.
You could go on your flight. This gentleman said he's staying.
No, my friends live here.
Okay,
What?
do you want to catch a flight to... What city is he going to?
We live in California. We live
Okay,
in Los Angeles.
all right. I'm trying to resolve your concern here. The gentleman
I
said he
certainly
wanted...
have to go home. Nothing to do with her.
All right.
I have work.
Okay, so where do you live, sir?
LA.
All right. And where do you live, ma'am?
I
She
live
lives-
in Los Angeles.
All right, so you both live in LA.
Atlanta.
I live in
No,
Los Angeles.
Look at her. Look at her.
sir.
Look at her ID.
Sir, it's okay. We're trying to
Her
resolve
ID.
this.
Yeah, resolve it. Look at
All
her
right.
ID.
You're a little
I have a lease
inebriated.
in California. Thank
I
you
sure
very much.
am. But look, I'm LA. She's Atlanta.
Okay.
Check.
I have a lease
Check now.
in California.
Check
All
now.
right. California, I see that.
Correct. Check her ID.
Here's the thing. Calm down, sir. Let her just talk. We'll go back to you back. I'm just trying to figure out what the issue
Bruh,
is here, sir.
bruh. We're gonna do this legally. I
Okay.
live in LA. She doesn't. Check.
I have a
Check
lease
now. Check
in
now.
California.
Let me go ahead and
I
police,
own
sir.
a home.
Have a seat for me, sir.
No,
please.
you're a bad policeman.
Thank you so
Check
much.
her ID.
You can't tell me what to do. That would be.
I
that
actually
would be.
can.
That would be my
What?
prerogative.
What?
ask her for
What is the
anything.
law, sir?
Sir, just
Sir, what is the
relax.
law?
You're
No.
No,
I
no.
will be. Yes,
No.
correct. You cannot
Stop.
tell me what the law is.
Stop, sir.
Wait. What's the
Stop.
law? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what law I've broken.
Let me know when you're done.
Oh, you want me to continue? Sure. You're telling
Don't
me
come up
I
on me,
can't
sir.
go.
Don't come
To
up
my
on me.
gate.
I didn't say that.
She
I didn't say that.
lives in LA.
If you wish to go to your gate, go to your
check
gate.
her fucking ID. I will. Goodbye.
Bye.
Welcome, sir.
Stay here.
Welcome, bitch.
In the middle, take the
Hey,
escalator
fuck you,
down.
fucker.
Take the
Hey,
escalator
suck
down
a
and
dick,
grab the train.
Stupid bitch.
Thank you
You're
so
not a
much.
fucking cop. You're a fucking. You're.
Calm down, sir. Just calm
Security?
down. Just calm
What
down.
are you? Where
Calm
are
down.
you?
Calm down.
What
Don't
are
do
you?
that.
I didn't get near you. What are you? What are you?
Give me some space.
What? Or what? You're gonna shoot me?
No, sir.
You're gonna
just
shoot me like
no.
every other black man you shot?
Stop. You see,
What?
That's
Or
not-
what?
that's
What,
not
bitch?
even-
What, bitch? I can
You're
fucking
just
say what I
upset.
want. Because
Just
you're a
relax.
fucking whore.
Just
You're a
relax.
lying fucking whore.
Stop,
you can't do
sir.
shit to me. Name the lie, bro. Oh, I'm gonna call more fucking people to shoot me. You're a fucking
Stop.
stupid
Relax.
bitch.
Relax. Just
What?
relax. Just go
What?
to your gate, sir.
Make me.
It's not
Make
a
me.
I don't need to
Make
make
me.
you. You can do that.
No,
on
no,
your
no.
own.
You tried to make me fucking come back here.
No, just
'cause I was
relax.
sleeping, right?
Just relax, sir.
Stop touching me.
Don't push
Stop
up on
touching
me. Just relax.
You touched me.
Just relax. You gotta
Who
give us
touched
some
who?
space.
Who touched who?
Just give us some
or
space.
what?
No.
Or what?
That's not what it is. Just relax.
Do it again.
Stop, sir. Don't come up on me.
Do it again. Do it again.
Don't do that.
Do it again.
What's going on?
This fucking little bitch of a cop, wannabe, came up with me while I was sleeping, started fucking punching me, pushing me.
I didn't do any of that.
Check your cam. Check your cam. Who touched who? Who touched who? Who put their hands like that?
3716.
Who put their hands like that on me? That was this fucking bitch. That was that fucking bitch. That was that little bitch.
Leave her.
Yo, stop,
No,
stop,
take the
man.
cam off. Take the
I'm with
cam off.
37.
Let's fight. Let's fight. Take the
No,
cam off.
no, don't do that.
Yo,
We want you to go to your gate.
man, let's go. Let's go.
Take it off.
Let's go. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Let's go. Yo, stop.
Don't
Stop.
touch me.
You hear me?
Don't
Stop.
touch- I
Do you hear
didn't-
me? Do you
No,
hear me?
incorrect.
Do you hear me?
Incorrect.
Stop it.
Incorrect.
Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop. Stop.
Incorrect.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Name the law. Name the law. Name the law.
Stop it.
Name the law. Name the law I broke.
Put your hands behind your back, man. Stop resisting, bro. Stop it. Stop. Can you stop?
Can I? Can you? Hey man, why are you trying to beat me? Why? Why? Stop. Stop, please. Please stop. Let them hurt me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. You're gonna break my arm. Hey, for real, man. You're gonna break. Please stop, please, please. Ow! I said stop, please. Please, you're gonna hurt me for real, man. Hey, I let go, please.
So you let go. You let go.
Bro, I didn't hurt you. Did I hurt you? Yes or no? You're a liar, sir. Wait. Hey, lift. Hey, wait. Wait,
27, let me have your car for date Tango 787
name the
on
line, bro.
a female on the jetway being irate.
Sir!
Come on over here, man. Come on over here. We're going to the precinct with her.
About my shoulder. Please.
He's under the.
Taylor.
He's going to the
My
precinct.
shoulder, please. Tell them about my shoulder. For what? Tell them about my shoulder.
Calm down, sir. Calm down.
Tell them about my shoulder, please.
Calm down.
It really hurts. You know about my shoulder. Sir, please look at my... Wait. Ow! Ow!
Where's Jalen?
Please look at my shoulder.
Okay, ma'am, come with us. This is his shoe. I got the shoe. You don't want a shoe? Okay, he's going to the precinct. You're gonna catch your flight?
I'm going to my mom.
Okay, all right.
You gotta give us something.
Give us something.
Continue to fall to the floor? Okay, stay on the floor.
Please look, fucker. Please look. Look at my shoulder.
He's just trying to press
Look.
buttons.
Are you going to continue to drop to the floor?
If you keep picking me up that way, sir, yes. Look, please, I had a super spinatus, and please, I keep telling you,
Just relax.
not fucking with you.
Don't drop to the floor. Like
You ready?
just
We're
did.
just gonna help you.
I told you to stop multiple times.
Come on, we're gonna help you. You ready?
All right.
Wait, no, don't help me.
We're gonna. Okay, well then get up.
Okay, well, get up then.
You got 20 seconds. If not, we help you.
No, you don't have time to show us anything. Go ahead and get up,
That
sir.
is a lie.
Sir, can you get up, please?
He's got 10 seconds.
Please call your supervisor. Please call your supervisor.
Enough said. I'm going to call supervisor.
You could kind of wiggle onto the chair. It won't move.
My issue is my shoulder, sir.
It's okay, sir. Just one step at a time. There you go.
So you guys think it's
Just
funny?
no. Nobody's laughing. Nobody's
If you
laughing.
look at my surgeries, it's real.
Have a seat. Okay. Push all the way back.
I'm not fighting you, sir.
Push back. I'm gonna lower the arm. There you go. We're gonna go now. I'm gonna put the backpack on your. I'm gonna put the backpack on you, on your lap. Okay?
Sir,
Can I get the backpack, sir?
Hey, Sergeant's en route. What
Okay,
about-
I heard her.
what about
Tango.
the mates?
Make sure she goes to Tango
Mates?
10.
Yeah,
she
she's
said
at
Tango
10.
2?
No, she's at 10.
Okay, here it is. Cool? Check it out. I'm even going to secure it for you. Look at that.
Bro, you're playing me.
Nobody's
sir.
playing with you.
You're playing me, sir.
Nobody's playing with
Can you
you.
look? Can you look? You gotta make sure.
Keep in mind.
There you go.
Keep in mind, I've been watching you on the camera. So go ahead.
Please. Okay.
I'm
Here's
listening.
Okay.
Put your feet
Stop
up.
pushing me.
Put
Stop
your
pushing
feet
me.
up.
No,
Put
please.
your feet up. You're going anyway. Put your feet up. I'm listening to you.
Talk first. Okay. This gentleman was an honor and a scholar. He was so kind.
Again,
This
I
man
monitored the whole
lied.
camera.
Okay, and you know threw me on the ground.
No, he
This
did not.
fucking piece of shit.
No, he did not.
Of course.
I watched the camera.
Sir, you're a
I
liar.
watched the
You're a
camera.
liar.
I watched the camera.
You're a liar, sir. He literally pulled my shoulder, and I told him I had an injury multiple times. Wait.
Well, if you have an injury, you
This
should be
sir.
attacking officers.
Ma'am, I didn't attack them. Not once. Not once. Show me one incident where I threw a punch or
You
anything.
don't have to throw a punch. You can make gestures.
Oh, got
can
it.
go at
Oh,
somebody
you're
like
one
that.
of those.
No, I'm not one of those.
No, you're one of those kind of liars.
When I have three
Got it.
officers
I'm
tied
glad I'm
on
at
one
Georgia.
person, I got a
I'm
problem
so
with that.
glad I'm in Georgia.
Yeah, welcome to Georgia.
Yeah, welcome to the lying state of bullshit. I came home. I came home with my girlfriend who was fucking cheating on me with everyone. And now I can't go home. I don't
You will
get it.
eventually go home, sir.
I just want to go home.
You will
I
eventually
didn't
go home.
do anything. I just want to go home. She fucking. She literally was whoring, man. I sucked, man. I can prove it. I will show you pictures, man. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Please, do you have evidence for me breaking the law? Sir, please, do you have any evidence? I didn't do anything. I just want to go home.
Gotta decompress a little. Relax.
Let me show you, please.
You'll show me in the precinct.
What does that help? I need to go home.
You will eventually.
But then I gotta pay for it for
He will be placed delicately inside the cell.
Absolutely.
That is a liar. That is a liar.
Focus
He
on
hurt
me.
me.
Focus
He hurt
on me.
me so many times.
Focus on me.
I need
Fo-
him. Please
Focus on me. Focus on me.
Please don't let him touch me.
No, I won't let him. Focus on me. Watch your feet. I told you to keep your feet up. Have your
No,
feet-
I told.
Keep
What's
your
your
shoes
name,
on.
sir?
Keep your shoes on.
I don't have the
Sir,
camera,
sir, I'm gonna have you get up and we're going inside the cell.
Please look. Please
Come on,
look,
come
sir.
on. Look.
Please.
What?
What's that?
It's your ankle.
No. Come on, don't be an asshole.
This is not about being an asshole. You're telling me what it is.
What is it?
Looks like an ankle to me, sir.
And it's a lawyer multiple times. I've asked for a lawyer. You do not get to take anything from me.
Call whoever you want to call.
Can you take my shit?
Sure, absolutely. What would you like me to
Oh,
tell
I'm
you?
sure you would love to, sir.
Sir, behave
You
yourself.
already took my.
His credentials are in his wallet. His wallet is in his front pocket.
What else? Sir, what else? What else? Do you want to do it again?
All right, let him hop, let him hop.
Both let go.
Let him stand
I'll hop
up.
and
Stand
on.
up. Stand
Okay,
up.
go ahead and hop.
I literally
Let him
am.
go. Let him go. He didn't do anything, but I'm just going to tell you.
I am. Sorry, just for my surgery. Jesus Christ.
Take the cuff off. No?
You want me to have you take them cuffs off of you?
Ma'am, I haven't fought anybody.
No? No, I'm going to take it off you.
Cool. Oh, okay. He complained. I, Officer Campbell, will adjust the cuffs. They're gonna stay on, but you complain about them being tight. So I'll adjust.
Sir,
want him in the
sir,
front?
anybody
Don't
but you.
Anybody but me, no problem.
No,
He did
anybody but
complain
you.
about the cuffs
Anybody but
being
you.
tight.
Anybody but you.
He already fixed your cuffs.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.